Oh
in
yeah,
that corner.
yeah. Okay. So yeah, we'll steam clean all this, and then this would take. It would take
Can you look
all
under the
that
sink?
stuff under the sink.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Those that is not mold. Well, that look burnt.
I was thinking that too, but I was like, yo, how can it get burnt in the sink? But it does look burnt, right?
And then there's like a
It looks like somebody did a welding close to it. I'm only guessing, but that's what it looks like. It doesn't look like that is not mold. It looks like burnt. The raised part is just the from the residue of the burnt.
Okay, and then there's something on the left hand side that's like it's like colored. It's like a purplish pink.
On the floor?
No, by the pipe.
In the middle, right?
To the left. It's like more so to the left.
To the left? Oh, I mean this one.
Yeah.
This right here?
Water damage.
No, up.
Up?
That looks like the same, that right there, right?
No.
What? Up? The same thing. The two top. There's two spots. Underneath it and one on top. Yeah. I think this they are both they are not what's the name? Yeah, that is not what do you call it? Yeah, that is not mold. Yeah, no, that is just burnt stains. I don't think that's mold. Doesn't look like mold. Yeah, no, that should be good. So, but we will find out when we steam clean it. The result that we'll get will let us know. Yeah, well, what we have to deal with.
Okay. And also too, I sprayed something for the roaches too yesterday.
Yeah.
So when you're done, would I have to spray again?
Not necessarily, unless you see them coming back again, then you have to. But if we steam clean it, it should clean out all the eggs, clean out everything that is there. So it should, right?
Okay.
So after that, if you see them, then but you could have the exterminator come in and put the traps out and do all the extra stuff because in New York City you have holes, so you're always going to have them coming in.
Okay.
You got to seal it. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Okay, and then.
And I just kind of maybe clean
The windows,
here.
yeah, we clean the windows both sides.
Yeah.
I see you got a little, yeah, okay. Yeah, so for your walls, so yeah.
You think the walls just the baking soda?
I mean, once you're doing it, you can do it. Take warm water, baking soda, and yeah, you'll get it off. Don't use any chemicals.
Okay.
It will also make it. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, and let's see. We have this floor to deal with. This one is, yeah. Okay, that floor. Okay. Yeah, this is burn marks. Yeah. Do you have a squeegee?
Have.
So you can take that, buy you a little cloth, like a little wash towel, put it on top of that, and then use it to clean the walls.
The wall.
What were you gonna say with a squeegee? Because I can get a squeegee.
Yeah, get your squeegee and the same thing.
Oh, like the window cleaner?
Yeah.
Do it the same way?
Yeah, and then take the what do you call it? Buy you like little washcloths, like the cloths for cleaning.
Yeah.
Yeah, fold them and put in the squeegee instead of using this. Instead of using this, use the hot water and put in the squeegee, and you used to clean the wall up and down. Makes it go faster, and then see what I'm saying? Yeah, yeah.
Alright, so it's really just the floor and the
So you want us to do the
area.
floors, take care of the floors, the windows, the bathroom, and the kitchen area.
Yeah. And
Okay.
and this one.
Inside the fridge too?
No, we don't need this.
Okay.
We're just clean.
Okay.
And if you can just kind of focus on this one a little bit, give this one a little bit more love.
Okay.
Because this is
Yeah.
this is our daughter's room.
So you want us to steam clean the walls in here?
I feel like these walls aren't as dirty as.
Okay. So yeah. So we just
they're
yeah.
still-
Zooming in, no one zooming in. I'm going to again use you with warm. catch the whole thing, man. Sisi a film it. Yeah, should be a young no more difference.
Han hayır tak. Masa ni yang hasil.
The almost kum kakra. Okay, so we are that. Right, so you can see. Just like that, right? So what we're doing is we're removing the dirt from the walls. Gently removing the dirt from the walls. It's basically washing the walls, that's basically what we're doing. So you remove all the dirt. Speed all that. Crack. Yeah, content. Yeah, cool. Yeah. That's what we're doing.
Berarti siapa pala?
Udah ya. Ini dia nama apa? So that's it. Just taking out. So you can see most of the dirt is gone. After we finish doing this, then we wipe it down. And we have a whole wall. Look, I see it, but it's painted. Because there's no dirt on it. And that's the objective, is to take out the dirt. And you don't have to paint the walls. So when you move into your new place, it's one of the things that you do. So now he's wiping it down. Right? And then that's it. That's it. Yep. Okay, next one. And that's it. And then he moves on to the next one. So that's it. And we'll be back. All right. Thanks for joining us. It's just a short clip to show you a little bit about wall cleaning. And these doors are cleaned. Oh, our steam cleaner's dead. Okay. So now we gotta put some more. Okay, so put some more water in it. And all these walls, these doors are cleaned out, steam cleaned. These doors have been cleaned. And then this is what we just did. So we are Echo Cleaning Pro. Give us a call and we will be more than happy to clean your walls for you if you need your walls cleaned. For realtors, for staging, we'll help you out. Get you a good place, make it smell nice. Perfect for staging. So if you need help with cleaning services, give us a call. We have lots of references. All right. Thanks a lot. Thanks for joining us. And we'll be back to show you how we clean this. As you can see, we're going to clean all that off. All right.
But now you hear me. You hear too, don't you? Oh, you come over the face now. Oh, but you be able to do that.
Wow. So there we go. See, tiles have been steam cleaned, and then we're gonna wipe it out. And then after we wipe it out, we're gonna sanitize it again. Although this is also sanitized. At the moment, this is sanitized, but we're gonna sanitize it again. Just that we're gonna clean all this on top of here. We're gonna sanitize all that. All this will be sanitized, cleaned out. Yep. So. Cleaning coming along nicely. In the meantime, while that is going on, I'm cleaning the shelves. We need for that. This is done. Cleaning all that. All right. There's more to come. Hope you're enjoying it. Please subscribe. Tell a friend. Share. Put our numbers up for us if you like our content. All right. Talk to you soon. And the customer's here and he is taking a look. I'm sorry, what did you say?
It's a good job. It's perfect.
Thank you. Yeah, customer's inspecting it. The walls is clean and you can't get the best review than a review from the customer while he's just walking through it. He just came in here while we were working and we're almost finishing and he's looking around. Yeah. Hi, welcome to Echo Cleaning Pro. So, this is a moving cleaning. If you saw the before pictures that we're cleaning, this is the finished product, right? This is the finished product. You saw the client complimenting us. So this is the finished product. We steam cleaned all this. All this was steam cleaned. Steam cleaned the tiles. Everything is steam cleaned. We already pulled it back, but we steam cleaned that. We steam cleaned the cabinets also. Inside the floors, The floor is done. We're just taking out little pieces of stuff on the floor. We steam clean the walls in here too. So this walls are steam cleaned. Take the smell out, makes it pretty good, pretty nice. The doors are steam cleaned also. As you can see, steam cleaned in here. Everything in here is steam cleaned. All right. Just a little something over here. Well, I guess I can take this off. All right. We can sanitize that. Cookie. Don't just wipe it off. All right. So, and then this is the bathroom. Bathroom was also steam cleaned. Everything in here is steam cleaned. As you can see, Eco Cleaning Pro. Yes, this we are. Hi guys. So this is the finished product. All right. Steam cleaned everything. Everything in here is steam cleaned. All right. That's the difference between our moving cleaning services. Is that we can offer you steam cleaning services. This wall was dirty. This wall is also clean. This door is also cleaned. So if you're a realtor, you're in New York, you're in Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan, the Bronx, and you need cleaning services, recommend us to your clients, and we'll give you a good look. So this is the finished product, and this is also steam cleaned, both sides, clean on both sides. See, we have a little something over here we gotta take care of, okay? But that's it. So that's the finished product. Oh yeah, and the doors over here is also steam cleaned. But sometimes you can't get everything off, so you can see some little streaks out here. These we can't get off, and we're not gonna go any deeper to damage. So that's it. This door is cleaned. You saw us this. You saw us cleaning this. This is also steam cleaned, and that's it. So thanks for joining us. It's Eco Cleaning Pro. Visit us on our website. We always post pictures on our website. Follow us on YouTube. Subscribe, because we always bring in the behind the scenes of what we did, so you can see how professionals clean. You know. So yeah, thanks a lot. We appreciate it. And this is done for this side. We'll see you on the next project. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a great day, and be motivated to help somebody out. Give a good service. If you're in the service business, give a great service. You know what I'm saying? Do that, so that way you make somebody happy. It's all about the job that you're doing. It's about how you're making the person feel. It's the most important thing, all right? So if you need a healthy cleaning that doesn't use toxic, that is fragrance-free, contact us. Eco Cleaning Pro, www.ecoclean.nyc. And we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you. Bye-bye.